Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the eye protections on Android devices. So the eye protections means that you will have or is designed to reduce the amount of the blue light emitted by the screen, which can cause your eye to strain or hurt. So in here, to enable the feature, you can just go to the settings on your phone, and in here you can scroll down and until you find the display and brightness options, and you'll see the eye protection. So you can just click on it, and in here you can set it to always on or always off. If you want to turn it on, you can just click on the circles right here and it will be turned on. Here you can also schedule it. For example, you want to just enable the eye protection from sunset to sunrise, or turn on at the custom times if you want to. I'm going to go with sunset to sunrise, and here you can adjust the intensity of the eye protection. So you can see that the screen will turns into like yellowish warm light to protect your eye. So eye protection display warmer colors on your screen that are easier on your eyes. So that's how you can turn on the eye protection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.